I think it's gonna be a minute before we can start cutting beans. Okay, it'll be a minute before that fog is off. We'll get some coffee. Well, the dew is burned off, and we got a cold chute on this trailer now. So we're going to be able to use this trailer along with the one that got hit in the previous videos. So he got the new axles underneath those. That truck's loaded with soybeans already. So this truck is ready to go. Just have a little bit of, basically just dump it up and clean the end of it out, and it's ready to go. And sun's shining, wind's blowing, so I think it's time to get cutting. There's another one. That's not the same stone either. This is a different day. We got both machines going now. Think of how much we'll get done. Dusty. Lots and lots of dust. This is the last field. This field and this field are the last two fields on this farm. There was a field back in here I cut, and then the stuff across the road got cut. So that's it. The field I'm in and across the irrigation. Anyone who watched the fitting video, this is the video I was in. This is the field I was in when I was chisel plowing, and I got the rock stuck in the dual. I was right up there taking the rock out of the dual. So not everyone's working today. There's a boat out there in the end of our bean field. Stand out there and do some fishing. That's what's left. This piece is half done. This bin's getting full. I'm above the window. We weren't sure if it would fill the truck or not. If we get the truck full, it's about 50 bushel to the acre. So, which on a drier year like it's been, that's not too bad. Done. He'll come over and unload that. I'll run over and get the header carts. big machines and itty bitty little New York back roads. They're not very fun to deal with. Because you got one dual in the ditch and there's still no room for anyone to come by. Well, we got it moved. Got the head on, can't see nothing, but it's there. This is the next farm. He's gonna keep cutting. I'm headed home. Nice clean field though. We can get that clipped off. Move on to the next piece.